Cyber threats in 2026 are faster, smarter, and way more common than most people realize. Phishing scams look real, malware installs silently, and hackers don't target companies anymore. They target people. So the big question is, do you actually need 5 different security tools, or just one that does it all? In this video, I'll show you why one cybersecurity package is more than enough in 2026, and why I personally recommend Total AV. A few years ago, antivirus software was enough. Not anymore. Today, threats come from fake emails and texts, malicious websites, infected downloads, public Wi-Fi networks, and data leaks and password theft. If your protection only covers one of these, you're exposed everywhere else. In 2026, cybersecurity is about coverage, not just antivirus. A proper all-in-one security package should include real-time antivirus protection, web and phishing protection, password security, threat detection before damage happens, and lightweight performance, no slow devices. This is exactly why tools like Total AV stand out. Instead of juggling multiple providers, Total Security brings everything together in one place. Total Security allows you to build a package that works for you. It's a full cybersecurity package. Whether you're working remotely, shopping online, streaming, using public Wi-Fi, or managing multiple devices, Total Security is built for how we actually use the internet in 2026. One complete package means one dashboard, one update system, and one layer of protection that works together. That's why more people are moving towards an all-in-one cybersecurity solution instead of patchwork setups. You don't need enterprise-level tools. You need smart, simple protection. So if you're looking for the only cybersecurity package you need in 2026, the tools available within Total Security are absolutely worth checking out. If this video helped, hit like, subscribe, and comment below. What device do you want better protection for in 2026? Stay safe online, and I'll see you in the next one.